This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
I love the box. This is really cool. Cool design. Like, really, really cool. Just how they did this was really cool. Don't throw this away because there are more accessories down here, so you just pull everything out. So make sure you look all around your box for all your accessories. Charging cable and all that stuff. Really cool case. Wow, this is really cool. So lit up green. So you just press. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Make sure to remove the plastic around if you're going to be using them. Wow. So there's an L, so we know that's for your left ear. So I've seen people wear these a couple different ways. Some people have them turned in. So what you do is you put it around your ear and then you push up so it actually fits in. Some people just wear it loosely where you have it down. So where you have it, basically see how it's coming straight out. Some people have it there, but then it's loose. So what you want to do is you want to wrap this around your ear. So you have this little piece and you're going to wrap it around your ear like that. So just wrap it around your ear down the side. And then once you're in here, you push it up and you curve it up. Once you curve it up, you can see it's not going anywhere. It stays there stationary. So overall, they're nice. Now off camera, we did test the quality out. Due to copyright, we can't show the audio or let you guys listen to the audio. But from the case design to the charging design, the audio's good. Everything's good about them. Overall, I like these. These are great. Probably going to use these when I'm working out outside. But overall, I think you guys are going to like them.